The University of Cebu Medical Center, or UCMed, has officially launched its latest machines that are set to change the digital imaging landscape in the region. The hospital's radiology department will soon serve its patients using the SOMATOM X.ceed CT Scan, the first in Southeast Asia, and the MAMMOMAT Revelation, both from Siemens Healthineers. The highly advanced SOMATOM X.ceed CT Scan aims to provide the most comfortable experience for patients with its widest 82-centimeter bore size, extra room to accommodate any physique and even the most challenging patients, and its in-room control features to enable longer patient care to help them relax and ease tension or anxiety.
We previously didn't have tablets on the side before, but these tablets enable you to stay longer with the patient. So it's better patient care. You can set the scan protocol at the side of the patient, and it enables you to be closer to the patient, giving the patient comfort.
It also has the fastest single-source CT rotation time and scan speed, as well as a tin filtration system to reduce radiation doses.
What makes this special, it is smart. And secondly, it reduces the radiation by almost 40%. So with such a huge reduction in radiation, can you imagine the patient benefit?
The scanner's optimal combination of high temporal and spatial resolution enables excellent image quality and reduced motion artifacts. The machine is also equipped with a dual energy source for spectral imaging.
With this new machine, it can better visualize, especially small lesions. It can also tell us the composition of the lesion. Another one is for angiography procedures. With this new machine, the post-processing of angiogram images is much easier. With just one click, it will automatic reformat to 3D images.
The MAMMOMAT Revelation, on the other hand, is a digital mammography system designed for superior breast cancer detection, personalized care, and high cost effectiveness, with its capability to provide the highest depth resolution and mass detectability. It also features personalized soft compression, which can reduce the patient's discomfort during the procedure, and a mood light which helps the patient relax during the exam to achieve high image quality.
With this MAMMOMAT Revelation, with the key feature of contrast-enhanced mammography, there is no limitation in the dense breast in detecting breast cancer. And also, in the old mammogram, the paddle is small, so it cannot accommodate big breasts. So the new MAMMOMAT Revelation has, I think, 5 paddles from the smallest to the biggest. And also in MAMMOMAT Revelation, it can be personalized. Others said that the mammogram is a very painful procedure, but now with MAMMOMAT Revelation, it will have optimum compression, and the paddle has smooth and soft compression paddles.
Through these state-of-the-art medical facilities, UCMed aims to provide its patients with quality healthcare services.
We are now on our way to recovery. We will have enough nurses for you. We will get all the necessary equipment for you so that we will not balivad any patient.